Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTech channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about a special Facebook campaign called Sponsored Messaging Campaign. If you know LinkedIn before, you might have known the campaign called Conversation Campaign. We will send a message to the prospects and it will sit on their messaging inbox. It's like a work, it's like a similar to email marketing, but it will sit on the messaging inbox. And the same kind of campaign is available in Facebook. When you plan a normal messaging campaign, I have explained you before in detail and how to set up the messaging campaign in my previous video. Please watch that video for any message to create any messaging campaign. And for you can just click the create new campaign and don't set the CBO, switch off it, because in case there will be two prerequisites for this for running the sponsored messaging campaign. One is like you have to have a substantial number of subscribers for your page already. Say already you have to have a page built up with lots of subscribers and who are conversing with you, and this campaign is ideally suitable for like for a event or like a giveaway which you plan in very short duration. This would be like say if at all you are planning to give away a ticket to a basketball event, then you can run this campaign. You can immediately reach out to those subscribers, and this campaign will run from a period of at max to from period of 1 day to at max like 6 days. It will completely consume the entire budget within that period. So you have to run it in a short notice. If you this kind of campaign will be suitable for those kind of requirements. So once you click the messages and switch off the CBO and go to next, click next, and then the ad set part. Normally for the messaging campaign you will see like this kind of setting, but for a sponsored messaging campaign you have to, in the under the ad type, you have to choose the sponsored message. Once you choose the sponsored message, the entire thing changes. Like you have to set a lifetime budget of like what's the budget for this campaign, and then all those placements will be grayed out. And then the bid control, this is like cost per million impressions, CPM. Like you have to bid for the impressions, and Facebook will try to deliver as much as messages to the existing subscribers of your page who have been conversing with you within the last 1 year. And you normally we would set the CPM like $30, or like as Facebook suggests, or like depending on the location it would vary. And this is how the entire setup in the ad set level. Then you can go to the ad, and then you can have a preview of like how your ad will look like. Say in this one I'm giving a get buy one pizza, get one free. Just for demo I'm showing this. Get one free. Offer valid for today only. This is how you can set, and you can have a quick reply, and that can be connected to your bot message keyword trigger in case of ManyChat. And I'm making it like interested. That's it. This is how the campaign will look like. And once the customer taps on this interested one, then your bot can send the coupons, or it can add to the sequence. That kind of thing can be done. And this would be for the very short duration campaigns. And this is a very effective campaign, since the open rate with the message it would be like almost like 90%. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel. Bye.